Good morning, plant people. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is about my succulent collection, part of my succulent collection, and I shot this really early in the morning, and I hope you all like this video. It's just showcasing a few of my succulent collection, and yeah, some are a little messy, but yeah, it is what it is. So I hope you all enjoy this video. So some succulents are a little dried up and some are recovering. I had just watered them yesterday, and it started raining early this morning, so the succulents which are in open area are all drenched in water, but these ones are protected, so it's there. And that's opalina, and then there's sedivaria, and there's Succulent, lavender pebbles, penbrine, and some type of crystal. I forgot the exact ID. And Mendoza, that's one of my favorite Ben Buddies. I forgot the ID of this one as well. So it's drying up. This is another Ellen, and yeah, I've actually forgotten a lot of the plant names. Yes, another succulent that just recovered from fungal infection, and there's my infamous succulent arrangement that has been blooming for a long time, and there's cotyledon, red eyes, and this succulent that you see in the corner, it's almost 7 years old, and it started blooming just a few days ago, and it's so beautiful. It's actually blooming for the first time in 7 years, and it has surprised me, and I'm so happy. And there's my peony, and I'm growing that for the first time. There's lavender and my poppy seedlings. So that was it from me. I hope you all enjoyed this succulent collection. I'll be showing more of my succulent collection in the coming videos. So I hope you all enjoyed, and if you like this video, do give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing for more such planting contents. I'll see you on my next video. Take care.